Hey families, I wanted to show you how to submit an assignment in Canvas. It's very, very simple. We've been practicing in class, but I wanted to just make sure that I had all the steps right here for you in case there were any questions when you're doing distance learning school. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So right now I'm in language arts. This was a lesson that we did today. When they get to the bottom of each page, they'll hit next. And here we have an assignment. So for this assignment, it gives you the directions. You're going to click here to open it. And we did this in class together today. We practiced zooming in, zooming out. They can zoom in to make it easier to write and then zoom back out. Their pen is up here. They know how to navigate all of that. When they're finished, you'll click this up arrow. And then we're in Canvas, so you'll click the one that says student with the Canvas logo. That's the red broken circle. You don't have to type any comments. You just hit submit and then it sends it right to me. So again, I'm going to show you one more time once they're finished. And there you go, there's your little pop-up. So once they're finished, you might want to check it for them, make sure that they did everything they were supposed to do. Hit that up arrow, the Canvas logo, and then submit. And that's all there is to it.